Hi guys, good morning. So it is currently 9:53. I'm about to head downstairs because we're gonna start making tamales today. I don't have any makeup on. It's a no makeup kind of day because I want my face to breathe a little bit. Guys, I'm really happy because this is so much better now. Like it's rare, not even there almost. I'm still gonna put on a little bit of petroleum jelly though, just to make sure that everything's good. But I think I'll be able to wear makeup for Christmas. I'm very excited. But yeah, I'm gonna head downstairs, start making tamales. I'm currently working on uploading a video. I edited this morning, so I'm gonna have a video all the way up until Christmas. So today is Tuesday, so I will see you guys later.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. Falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something. This thing that we got grew stronger each day. We're together all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Christmas time's got the best of me, then it starts to snow.
Hi guys, so you guys saw me earlier making tamales. I haven't really vlogged today. It is Tuesday. Spencer's here with me.
Hello.
This is the last time you will ever see him in the vlog because I'm going to kill him.
Oh,
I'm just kidding. I'm joking, guys. I was joking.
I know. You wouldn't hurt a fly.
I know, I'd cry. Oh my gosh.
Guys, one time I think we went to like pick up a cake or something, and we get back to the car, and inside my car there's like a little like roly-poly or like a little spider or something.
Yeah.
And like Stephany almost started crying, and she was like, "You have to save it! Don't kill it!" So I like picked it up and I like had to walk out of the car and like drop it off on a bush. So yes, she wouldn't hurt anything.
Yeah. Not intentionally, but anyway, so it's because he is gonna go visit his family, so I'm not gonna see him for the rest of the like holidays, right?
Yeah. It'll be about 8 days.
Yeah, it'll be about 8 days that 9 days that I will not see Spencer because he's gonna come back when?
The 30th.
The 30th. So I will not see him for like all these days. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of sad.
If she's crying on the vlogs, you know why.
Yeah, you guys won't get to see Spencer cry. But yeah, I'll be here. I'll still be vlogging. I'm going to try to be vlogging every single day up until Christmas. So we will see how that goes. Have a video up at least every day until Christmas. But yeah, we're about to go eat though. Because I've been making tamales all day. So They came out pretty good, right, babe?
They were tasty. I had a chicken one earlier.
Yeah.
It was very tasty.
So we're gonna go. We will update you guys later. Guys, guess what we got? In and out. We're about to eat and then we're gonna play Tetris. Because we gotta fit everything in Spencer's car so he can go up to see his family. Hi guys, so I am currently going to go to the grocery store with my mom. We're gonna go pick up food for New Year's Day and then just some last minute things for Christmas. It is Wednesday. Spencer went to his family's house, so he's driving. He currently just sent me some updates. But yeah, we might head out to the store just really quick because we need to find the baby some socks. So we might go to the store, don't know. It's gonna be kind of hectic because it's right before Christmas. But yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys later. I want to take some pictures of my dogs wearing these little elf suits that I got at the 99-cent store actually. They're really cute. I just thought they'd look really cute in pictures. I got 5 of them for all 5 of them. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. Just wanted to update you guys. I'm not really wearing anything super cute. It's just my dog, proud dog mom shirt. My sister did get me some Starbucks. This is the matcha latte with oat milk. So we got that. But yeah, I'll update you guys later. Just wanted to let you guys know what was happening. If I buy anything at the stores, I will go ahead and show you guys. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Hi guys, so currently I am with my mom. We are making tamales. I will show you some of the process. I know I kind of showed you guys yesterday, but we are making another set of tamales. And then tomorrow we're going to be making more tamales. But that last set of tamales is going to be for like my actual family, like us pretty much. Oh my gosh, I'm so red right here. I'm sorry. So yeah, we're doing that. We ended up not going to Ross actually. So we didn't go to Ross, but we are home. We went to Trader Joe's. We got some stuff for like just food that we're gonna make for New Year's and just little things that we needed. So we did that. But yeah, I just currently turned on all the lights. Spencer finally got over to his brother's house. It is currently about 4:20, so it's pretty good. Yeah, everything's going well. I've just been hanging out with my mom, talking to her, so that's been nice. But yeah, I haven't really been doing much. Downstairs. So here's some lights. Very cute, right? Sorry, my parents are talking. Yeah, here are the lights.